Hi guys, so in today's video we're going to be talking about Sean Paul and his father death, but I'm going to expand more on that later on in the video. And it says reports reaching the news are that the Gareth Henderson, the father of international reggae star Sean Paul, passed away on Thursday after spending over 2 months in the hospital battling from an ailment. Sorry. The artist, whose real name is Sean Paul Francis Henderson, last month reported that his dad was in the intensive care unit at the University Hospital of the West Indies and was in dire need of O negative blood. We have been asking family and friends to give blood if they can, but right now he is in dire need of blood. So if anybody can help out, I would greatly appreciate it, Sean Paul said in a video posted on social media. Back then, the artist said his father's illness was the reason he had been keeping a low profile musically over the last few months. He did not disclose what the illness was. Hopes of seeing his father improve were dashed on Thursday as the family reported that the senior Hendrix had passed away. With deep regret, I announce the passing of my father, Garth Hendricks, tweeted Sean Paul. On behalf of our family, I wish to thank everyone who has offered their kind words and sincere condolences in this time of bereavement. I wish to extend my appreciation to doctors, nurses, and medical team at the University Hospital of the West Indies and many fans, friends, and family who donated blood and offered good wishes. The entertainer has asked for some level of privacy during the challenging time for the family. I don't know, every time I come on camera, I always have to yawn. I don't know. I don't know what it is about, and it has nothing to do with my pregnancy, but every time I come on camera, me have a yawn, and I'm not tired. Okay, like I'm not tired, which is weird to me. But anyways, Sean Paul father died, and I'm sending condolences to him and to his family out there, because I remember when he first put out that clip that he needed O negative blood, and I shoot it out to my subscribers and to everybody on my social media to go donate blood. And it's very sad to see a loved one pass away, but this just got me thinking about the cycle of life and how important parents and children relationships are, because when you're a child, your parents raise you, they have to take care of you, they gotta shelter you, they gotta feed you, they gotta clothe you. And when they get older, the roles reverse and vice versa. And it goes to show that you need to be held accountable for your actions when you're a parent, and you need to be held accountable for your actions when you are a child. But most importantly, you need to have a great relationship with your family, because at the end of the day, when stuff like this happen, it's very hard on everybody, but it's especially hard when the child loses a parent or vice versa. And this is where a lot of Jamaican parents need to actually take accountability and actually realize that at the end of the day, your child is your child. They never asked to be here, they never asked you to have them. So you need to try develop or have as great of a relationship you can have with them, because life is precious, and life, like, you never know Never know. You never know when it's your time to go, ever. And it's crazy how the cycle of life works. So, to all the parents out there, make sure you take care of your child. Make sure you have a great relationship with your child. Make sure your child knows the value of the relationship that you guys have, and vice versa. Make sure your child appreciates you. Make sure your child acknowledges you and acknowledge what you have done for them, and vice versa as far as family is concerned, because you don't want to end up in a situation where you get older and your pick them take your dash you in a nursing home because they feel like you were not a great parent, you didn't love them, you didn't show them any love, you didn't do anything for them, or your relationship is on the rocks basically. So make sure that when you have your parents, if you have a relationship that can be mended, you mend it. And if you have a great relationship, keep that great relationship that you have with your parents. And love everybody that you have around you. Love and support everybody that supports you. Protect your energy and protect who you are as a person, because enough people are viper and they will ruin your energy and ruin your life and bring pure negativity in your life. So you have to be the one that know where to cut it off at. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story, and out all your condolences to Sean Paul's family, because he will need it, and all the love and prayer, as long as the prayers are good. So yeah, that's all I have to say on that topic. Comment in the comment section what other topics you guys want me to do, and I'll see you in my next video. Deuces.